Good morning to children. Now we are going to the 10th problem. See now. Two equal sides of triangle. Two equal sides of triangle are each 5 meters less than 5 meters less than twice the third side. Twice the third side. If the perimeter of the triangle is 55 meters. If the perimeter of the triangle is 55 meters, find the length of its sides. Find the length of its sides. Okay, solution C. Okay, let the third side of a triangle. Let the third side of a triangle equal to x meters. Let the third side of a triangle equal to x meter. Two equal sides of a triangle. Two equal sides. Two equal sides of a triangle. Two equal sides of a triangle equal 5 meters less than the twice the third side. 5 meters less than 5 meters less than the twice the third side. Twice the third side equal to third side twice means 2 into x. 2x minus 5. 2x minus 5 meters. Two equal sides of triangles means 2x minus 5 meter. Okay. Perimeter of a triangle. The perimeter of the triangle. The perimeter of the triangle equal to 55 meters. 55 meters. Perimeter of the triangle means 3 sides are adding. Okay. First side, second side 2x minus 5 plus 2x minus 5. Okay. Why? Because here 2 equal sides given. So 2x minus 5 plus 2x minus 5 plus third side x equal to 55 meters. Okay, 2x plus 2x, 4x, 4x plus x, 5x, 5x minus 5 minus 10 equal to 55. 5x equal 55 minus 10 transposing LHS to RHS plus 10. 5x equal to 55 plus 10, 65. 55 plus 10, 65. Now x equal 65 by 5. 65 by 5. 5 ones, 5 13s. Now x value 13 meters. Okay. 2x minus 5 value. 2x minus 5 equal 2 into 13 minus 5. 2 13s are 26 minus 5 equal to 21 meter. Okay. Therefore, three sides of a triangle. Three sides of a triangle are, okay, three sides of triangle are 13 meters, 21 meters, 21 meters. Okay. Once again, Seema, let the third side of a triangle x meters, two equal sides of a triangle 5 meter less than the twice the third side. 2x minus 5 meter. The perimeter of the triangle equal to 55 meters given ma. 2x minus 5 plus 2x minus 5 plus x equal 55. 2x plus 2x 4x. 4x plus x 5x. 5x minus 10 equal to 55. 5x equal 55 minus 10 transposing LHS to RHS plus 10. 5x equal to 65. Now x equal 65 by 5. 5 ones, 5 13s. X equal 13 meters. 2x minus 5 equal 2 13s are 26 minus 5 equal to 21 meters. Three sides of a triangle are 13 meters, 21 meter and 21 meter. Okay, understood? Next one, Seema. Two complementary angles differ by 12 degrees. Two complementary angles differ by 12 degrees. Find the angles. Okay. So differ means difference. Okay. Solution C. Two complementary angles angles differ by 12 degrees. Differ by 12 degrees. Let the smaller number, smaller angle, okay, not number here, angle is given, okay. So let the smaller angle equal to x degree, smaller angle equal to x degree. The greater angle equal, greater or larger, okay, greater angle equal, differ 12 degrees given, that's why x plus 12 degrees, x plus 12 degrees, smaller angle x degrees, greater angle x plus 12 degree. Okay, sum of two complementary angles. So complementary angles means 90 degrees. Sum of two complementary angles. Two complementary angles. Sum of two complementary angles equal to 90 degrees. 90 degrees. Okay, two complementary smaller angle plus greater angle. X plus 12 equal to 90. X plus x, 2x plus 12 equal to 90. 2x equal 90 minus 12. 90 minus 12. 2x equal to 78. 2x equal to 78. X equal 78 by 2. X equal to 78 by 2. 2 ones, 2 39s. X equal 39 degrees. X equal to 39 degrees. Okay. The smaller angle equal 39 degrees. The greater angle equal 39 plus 12. 39 plus 12 equal to 51 degrees. 51 degrees. Okay, 51 plus 39, 90. Okay, once again, Seema, two complementary angles differ by 12 degrees given that let the smaller angle x degrees, the greater angle x plus 12 degrees. Sum of two complementary angles equal to 90 degrees. X plus 12 equal to 90. X plus x, 2x plus 12 equal 90. 2x equal 90 minus 12 equal 78. Now x equal 78 by 2, 39 degrees. The smaller angle equal 39 degrees. The greater angle equal to 51 degrees. Okay, understood? Next. Okay, next one, Seema. The ages of Rahul and Lakshmi. The ages of Rahul and Lakshmi are in the ratio 5:7. The ages of Rahul and Lakshmi are in the ratio 5:7. 4 years later, the sum of their ages will be 56 years. 4 years later, the sum of their ages will be 56 years. What are their present ages? What are their present ages? See, solution. The present ages of Rahul and Lakshmi. The ratio of present ages Rahul and Lakshmi. Rahul and Lakshmi, 5:7. The ratio of present ages of Rahul and Lakshmi equal to 5:7. Okay. Age of Rahul or Rahul age equal 5x years. 5x years. Lakshmi age equal 7x years. 7x years. Okay. 4 years later, the sum of their ages will be 56 years. That's why 4 years after Rahul age and Lakshmi age find. 4 years after Rahul age equal 4 years after Rahul age equal, after means plus ma, 5x plus 4. 5x plus 4 years. Okay. Lakshmi age, 4 years after Lakshmi age equal 7x plus 4 years. 7x plus 4 years. Okay. Sum of their ages 56 years. Sum of their ages 56. Sum of their ages equal to 56. Sum of their ages equal to 56. After 4 years, sum of their ages to 56. That's why 5x plus 4 plus 7x plus 4 equal to 56. 5x plus 7x, 12x plus 8 equal 56. 12x equal 56 minus 8. 56 minus 8. 12x equal 48. X equal 48 by 12. 12 ones, 12 fours equal to 4. X value 4 mark. Okay. But here asking present ages. What are their present ages? Okay. Therefore, present age of Rahul. Present age of Rahul equal 5x years ma. Rahul present age 5x years. So 5 into 4. 5 into 4 equal to 20 years. Present age of Rahul 5 4s are 20 years. Next, present age of Lakshmi. Present age of Lakshmi. Present age of Lakshmi equal to 7 into 4. 7x means 7 into 4. 7 4s are 28 years. 7 4s are 28 years. Once again say, the ratio of present ages of Rahul and Lakshmi 5 is to 7. Rahul age equal 5x years. Lakshmi age equal to 7x years. Okay, Lakshmi age equal to 7x years. 4 years after Rahul age. 4 years after Rahul age, 5x plus 4. 5x plus 4 years. 4 years after Lakshmi age, 7x plus 4. Sum of their ages 56. That's why 5x plus 4 plus 7x plus 4 equal to 56. 5x plus 7x 12x. 12x plus 8 equal 56. 12x equal 56 minus 8 48. Now x equal 48 by 12 equal to 4. Present age of Rahul equal to 20 years. Present age of Lakshmi equal to 28 years. Okay, understood? Next one. There are 180 multiple choice questions. There are 180 multiple choice questions in a test. A candidate gets 4 marks for every correct answer. A candidate gets 4 marks for every correct answer, and for every unattempted or wrongly answered questions 1 mark deducted from the total score of correct answer. If a candidate scored 450 marks in the test, how many questions did he answer correctly? How many questions did he answer correctly? Okay, total questions, how many given here? 180. See, total questions equal to 180. Total questions equal to 180. Okay, marks given for every correct answer. Marks given for every correct answer. Marks given for every correct answer 4 marks. Okay, marks given for every correct answer 4 marks. Okay, marks given for every incorrect answer equal to 1. Every incorrect answer 1. Okay, let the correct answered questions. We don't know correct answered question. So let the correct answered questions equal to x. Let the correct answered questions x. The incorrect answered questions equal to 180 minus x. Total questions 180 mark. Correct answered questions x means incorrect answered questions 180 minus x. Okay. Total score of correct answered question. Total score of correct answered question. Correct answered quotients equal to correct answer quotients x mark, every correct answer marks 4, that's why 4x. Okay, total score of incorrect correct answer quotients 4x. Next, total quotients, total score of incorrect answer quotients, incorrect answer quotients equal to 180 minus x into 1, 180 minus x into 1 equal to 180 minus x. Okay, next, total score given mark. Okay, total score equal 450 marks. Total score 450 marks. Total score means total score of correct answer questions plus score of incorrect answer question. Score of correct answer questions, how many are here? 4x plus total score of incorrect answer 180 minus x. But here given Sima, according to the problem, 1 mark deducted from the total score. 1 mark deducted from the total score of correct answers. That's why 4x minus 180 minus x. 4x minus 180 minus x equal to 450. 4x minus 180 minus into minus plus x equal to 450. 4x plus x, 5x minus 180 equal to 450. 5x equal 450 plus 180. 450 plus 180. Now 5x equal to 0. 5 plus 8, 13. 630. X equal to 630 by 5. 5 1s, 5 2s, 5 6. X equal to 126. X means what, ma? Let correct answer quotients. Therefore, correct answer quotients equal correct answer quotients equal to 126. 126. Once again, see ma, total quotients 180 given, marks given for every correct answer 4 marks, marks given for every incorrect answer 1 mark. Let the correct answer quotients x, incorrect answer quotients 180 minus x. Total score of correct answer quotient 4 into x, 4x marks. Total score of incorrect answer quotients 180 minus x into 1, 180 minus x. Total score given already 450 marks. 1 mark deducted from the total score. That's why 180 minus x into minus 1. That's why 4x minus 180 minus x. 4x minus into plus minus 180 minus into minus plus x equal to 450. 4x plus x 5x. 5x equal 450 plus minus 180 transposing LHS to RHS plus 180. 5x equal to 630. X equal 630 by 5, 126. Therefore, correct answer quotient is equal to 126. Okay.